I'm reading this Dweck article on fixed versus growth mindset, DWECK, and I'm kind of tripping because it's like, it seems like a paradox that people with this more growth mindset have to embrace this oxymoronic view of life where basically the more life screws you over and the less opportunity life seems to be giving you, the more of an opportunity life is giving you for learning and being challenged and growing. That's very interesting. That you could view it that the more life shafts you, the more deeply pleasurable it can be to reframe that as opportunity. Creepy. Yeah.